So guys, yes, right now I'm short selling Indus India Bank in the market level now. So let's see how the stock will perform. So right now I've short sold Indus India Bank. Okay. So plan to take like 0.5% target, like 6 to 7 points in the trade. Okay. So let's see how it will perform. So I have short sold, and you can see at the top left side the market is down, that is 0.23% down. So let's see how it will perform. And also you can see the first 15 minutes candle of the stock, that is it has gone up and it has formed a wick and it has come down. Okay, it has just almost the high of 1158, and from there it has come down. Okay, so I think the sellers are more here, and we can expect the stock to come down and take a support, and then it can go up. Okay, so 1140 somewhere is the support level, if you see. So before that support level, I'm planning to take my exit because it can reverse, and again it can take some time to come down. So before it touches 1140 somewhere around there, I'll take my exit and we'll see how the stock will perform. Okay, so we have short sold and we are waiting for it. So let's wait for the stock to perform. So once I take my exit, I'll update you guys about the price where I exit also. Okay, and before that, if you're new to stock market trading, if you're having losses and want to recover your losses and want to learn the skill of making consistent profit in intraday trading, you can join us now. I'll teach you the simple skill to make consistent profit. No indicators and no complicated things. It's a one-time payment. You get lifetime support to make consistent profit in trading. Do provide NSE and MCX trading course. The course prices are very less and reasonably priced. You can check all of the details in my blogspot, that is trading0.blogspot.in. The link is in the description below of this video. So many of the people has got into my trading program and now they are making money consistently, and even the people who had losses are now starting to recover their losses. You can watch all of these things with the earning proof here with the ledgers, and if you guys are interested and motivated to make consistent profit like this, you can join us today. Okay, so once you join us, you will be getting lifetime support and live market guidance also. I'll be teaching you guys personally how you can make consistent profit in intraday trading. Okay, so if you guys wish to stop your losses from today and want to learn how to make consistent profit like this, you can message me now on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course and learn how you guys can make consistent profit from today. And also these are the advantages and benefits what you get once you join us. So once you join us, you will be able to earn consistently in trading. I'll be teaching you 95% accuracy unique and secret strategies with no indicators, and also I'll be teaching you a very good timing and discipline what is needed. Just by spending only 15 to 30 minutes per day, you can make 10% profit on your capital. Okay, that is you can earn 1000 rupees per day with the investment of just 10,000 only. And also I'll be guiding you with a very good money management system and a risk free trading system. And also, as you guys know, my course prices are very less and reasonably priced. So guys, yes, now back to the trading. So if you guys can see, the stock is now trading around 1146.50, and the low mid is still 1144. So it's just trying to break its low. So right now it's still at the range only, and you can see the market has recovered a bit, 0.14% now. So that's why it can take some time. Okay, so let's wait for the stock to perform. So once it touches the lower level of 1140 somewhere around, I'll take my exit and I'll update you guys once I take my exit. Okay, and also if you guys wish to get the live market guidance and live market updates from me, you can message me now on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen and join us, and I'll be guiding you guys personally to make consistent profit. Okay, so now we can observe the live trade how the market will perform. So you can see it is trying to break its low of 1144, so we are almost close to that. So yes, the breakout has been now given 1142, so we are almost close to the target. So I'll just take my exit once it touches around 1140 or 1141. Okay, and once I take my exit, I'll update you guys. So until that, you can see the live trade. Okay, says as you guys can see, the stock has made a low of 1141 and I short sold somewhere around 1146 and 47 levels. So I took my exit and this was a profit what I was able to book today in the today's trade of Indus India Bank. So if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this and want to learn all the techniques of making consistent profit in intraday trading, you can join us today. You can go into my channel and watch all the videos. So every day I upload like how much profit I made in intraday trading, so you can watch all of this performance, and you can also see my client screenshot of profit in my blog, which I've given in the link in the description below of this video. And if you guys are motivated to make consistent profit from today, and if you guys wish to learn the good techniques to make consistent profit from today, you can join us now. You can message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a good day. I'll see you in the next one very soon.